Hello, welcome to Crafting Unedited. I'm Sierra, and today I'm going to show you how to use glyphs and flourishes in Cricut's design space on a MacBook. It's been a little bit tricky to figure out, but I got it, and I wanted to share with you guys how to do it. So glyphs and flourishes are those little squiggly lines, and you'll see in just a minute, that a lot of people put on their fonts and other images and projects that they use or that they're doing. It looks really elegant and sometimes really fun. So I wanted to show you because I'm working on something for summer. So why not do it with the word summer, right? Ignore all of my other things going on up there. All right, so right now I have the font Alexis Maddox selected. So it's going to look like this. So this looks kind of silly. It kind of looks like it says bummer or lumber instead of summer. But we're going to fix that in just a second. So first you want to have a font in mind that you want to use. And you want to have that font selected by going to your fonts over here, and you can just scroll through, find which one you like the most. The one that I like and that I want to use today is actually called, I don't know how to say it, Irida? I don't know, but this is the one that I want to use. So as you can see, it already has like a little squiggly S. So you don't really have to do a whole lot with this one, but I'm going to show you what you can do with it. I'll make it a little bigger for you. There you go. All right, so in your MacBook Pro, if you go down here, you may have it already here. That's called Font Book. If you do not already have it on your taskbar, then you'll go over to Launchpad right here. Well, it looks like a little rocket, and you'll go up to your Font Book and Other. So you'll just open up your font book, and initially your font book's going to look like this. And you don't want that because you can't select single letters. You have to select the whole thing. You want to go over here right below the open and close tabs to the screen, or I mean, you could even do that if you wanted, but this one was the best option. So I actually have already selected this S. So you're going to go over here and find the font that you have selected in Design Space, and you're going to select it here. So you're just going to click on it, and when you click on it, it'll pop up, and then you're going to find the letter that you want. So you can scroll up, down, around. I didn't like the S's, the capital S's, so I like this little, the lowercase s. So we're going to select it. Just select it by clicking on it, and you're going to Control C, so copy, and then you're going to go over over to your design space, double click on your word, and then you can delete it and hit Control V, and it's going to look like a little square in the box, but don't worry about it because it looks like a gorgeous and fun S in the drawing a blank in your design. So there you go. So next I want to do M. I think I want to do an M. Maybe not. Maybe I want to do the R. I want to do. Or do I just want to have, yes, I want to go that way with the R. So let's go. There it is. Control C, go back over to my design space, and then you delete the letter that you want to switch out, and you put Control V. So then you've got your flourishes on both sides. And now to make it even more fun and more elegant looking, you're going to ungroup to letters, and you do that by going over to Advanced right here and ungroup to letters. You're just going to slide them all on over and connect them just like so. And then when you've got them all aligned the way that you want, you'll select it all and attach. You can also weld. When you weld, you want to make sure that you weld, because if you do not and you go to cut it, everywhere that you connected those letters is going to end up having a cut line through the letters. So here where the U meets the M, you're going to have that cut line in here, and you don't want that. You want it to be one single word, and you do that by selecting weld, not attach. Attach is just going to attach them in design space, but then when you cut them, they'll still be connected on your mat, but you're going to have those cut lines, and you don't want that. So that is how you create those beautiful flourishes before and after or in between your letters or your words. So make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos showing you little tips and tricks on how to use Design Space to the best of your abilities and to the best of its abilities to create some really wonderful projects. So like I said, go ahead, subscribe, hit the alert button so that you know when I'm on and when I've done something new. And until next time, my crazy crafter friends, we will see you later.